Hi, my name is Robert Shelley with Shelley Law, and my law firm assists physicians with employment contract and independent contractor agreement issues. Today I'm going to kind of take a marketing focused video and talk about something very specific that came up last week that I thought was interesting. And that's, should an employed physician start their own Google business profile? So this is getting into the weeds of marketing, but I also think kind of where individual medicine is going, it makes sense to talk about it. So what is the Google business profile? So essentially, when you Google something, so if you were, for instance, I live in Scottsdale, Arizona. If I were to Google, lawn sprinkler repair, well, on Google, then on the map, there'd be a bunch of listings for all of the different sprinkler companies. Then you'd have like the star rating, and then you can click on it and get their contact information and website and hours and all that information. In this instance, I had a consult with a physician who was employed in I'm not going to say the subspecialty, but it was an IM subspecialty. And she was interested in creating a Google business profile for herself individually, even though she was employed by a group, and said, is this okay? Well, I guess it depends, but it also was a really good idea for a couple of reasons. So in order to get a Google business profile, you have to have a Gmail account, then you start in there. Then they have to verify the location, and then you can enter in all the stuff that I just mentioned. You should probably have your own website, your own email, all that kind of stuff. And so the reason why it's important is if you start generating positive reviews, and you have the contact information of where you're working, if for whatever reason you were to leave that organization and you had an individual Google business profile, you can take that to wherever you want to go afterwards, assuming it's not prohibited by the employer. Or perhaps if you leave and then open up your own practice, well, you're way ahead of other practices starting from scratch, because you could have, hopefully dozens of positive reviews and a history, which can assist in kind of jump-starting a practice. Now, would a practice care about this, and do you even need to tell them? Well, I guess that would depend upon the language in the contract. I don't think there's anything specifically in most physician contracts that would prohibit something like this. I could see an employer finding out if an individual physician had a profile. They may have a problem with it. Simply for that exact reason, that it would make it easier for a provider to leave, kind of start up a competitive practice quickly. But I don't necessarily think you need to run it by them, and I can't really think of any reasons how that would be a breach of contract in any way either. This isn't really something that most employers think about or put into the contract. I mean, potentially, if it was very specific language, it might be prohibited in some way via the non-solicit. But once again, I can't really think of any language that I've seen that would prohibit this type of behavior. So in short, I think it's a good idea for any individual. Now, obviously, this isn't going to apply to if you're a hospitalist or you're doing emergency medicine or anything like that. This is like outpatient clinic-based stuff, where you could have like a way to market out facing to the community with good reviews and contact info and all that kind of stuff. I mean, more and more validated social media presence is very important when someone is going to attempt to find a new provider. I mean, I can just speak for myself with my law firm. When we made an effort to reach out and try to get as many reviews as we could, it absolutely made an impact on increasing the inquiries and that type of thing. And it's not hard. You just have a system in place where it automatically sends out and asks for someone to submit a Google review, and then if you get enough of them, it will have a positive effect on you ranking in Google as well. So anyway, I mean, this is stuff that I care about. Like I spend a lot of time on marketing for my law firm, and I think it kind of carries over to probably any kind of individual service profession. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. You can feel free to contact my law firm at the contact information listed below in the description, or you can leave a comment, and I'm happy to answer any of them. So anyway, I know this is like a very specific video, but something I was thinking about and thought maybe there'd be some other people interested in it as well. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye.